Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a BCC email in Gmail. If you want to send a message to multiple people but keep their email addresses private, the BCC or blind carbon copy feature is the best way to do it. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Compose button on the left side. This will open a brand new email window. At the top, you'll see the To field where you normally type your recipient's address. Enter the primary recipient here if you have one. Now, right below the To field, look for the BCC option. It's usually right next to the CC button. Click it, and you'll notice a new field appear. In the BCC field, type in the email addresses of the people you want to include privately. Each person will receive the email, but they won't be able to see the other addresses listed. Only you will. This keeps everyone's information secure. Now go ahead and fill in the subject line. Make sure it's clear and directly reflects the purpose of your email. This helps recipients know what to expect right away. Next, write the body of your email just like you would any normal message. Add greetings, your main content, and even attachments if needed. Before sending, take a quick moment to review the addresses, subject, and attachments to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're ready, simply click the blue Send button, and that's it. You've successfully sent an email using Gmail's BCC feature. This is especially useful when sending newsletters, invitations, or announcements to a group while keeping everyone's privacy intact. And that's how easy it is. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips and digital guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.